Today, I am reviewing the Polk Signature Elite ES55 tower speaker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's begin with what makes the ES55 stand out. At the heart of the Polk ES55 is its dynamically balanced acoustic array, featuring dual 6.5-inch woofers and a 1-inch Terylene tweeter. This 2.5-way design is powered by cascading crossovers, which means that the speaker doesn't just split frequencies across drivers, it seamlessly blends them. What does that mean for your ears? It means smoother transitions, clearer vocals, and an impressively lifelike soundstage that fills the room. And when I say fills the room, I mean it. The high-sensitivity design makes the ES55 extremely efficient, so even lower-powered amplifiers or AV receivers can drive it with ease. Whether you're streaming high-res tracks from Spotify, Amazon Music HD, or Apple Music, or watching the latest Dolby Atmos or DTS X content on your 4K setup, the sound remains immersive and incredibly detailed. But Polk didn't just stop at great mids and highs. Let's talk bass, because this is where the ES55 truly flexes its muscles. Thanks to Polk's patented power port technology, this speaker produces bass that's not only deeper, but more accurate. Compared to traditional ported designs, the ES55 delivers up to 3 decibels louder bass, while minimizing distortion and turbulence. Whether you're listening to thunderous movie soundtracks, EDM drops, or deep string instruments, the bass hits hard, yet stays tight and controlled. This isn't the kind of bass that just booms and overpowers everything else. It's sculpted, responsive, and incredibly refined. Now let's touch on build quality and design, because audio gear isn't just about sound, it's part of your home. The Signature Elite series features a bold, modern aesthetic that doesn't just sound premium, it looks premium. The ES55 in particular, with its black oak finish, minimal grille, and clean cabinet lines, strikes the perfect balance between sleek and bold. Whether you're placing it in a dedicated home theater room or your living area, it looks right at home. Polk also includes rubber feet, making it stable on both carpets and hard floors, and dual gold-plated 5-way binding posts for a secure, high-fidelity connection. Another big plus? It's timbre matched to other Polk Signature Elite components. That means if you decide to expand your setup into a full 5.1 surround sound system, the blending between front, center, and surround speakers will be seamless. Pair the ES55 towers with the ES10 surrounds, S35 Center Channel, and a dedicated Polk Subwoofer, and you're looking at a cinema-grade experience in your own home. So, who is the ES55 for? If you're serious about high-resolution audio, movie soundtracks, and dynamic, immersive listening, the ES55 is a fantastic centerpiece speaker. It's ideal for both stereo setups and multi-channel home theaters, and it strikes that rare balance between audiophile quality and everyday usability. Whether you're enjoying an intimate acoustic performance or diving into the explosive action of your favorite blockbuster, the Polk ES55 delivers sound that doesn't just fill the room, it fills you with emotion.